Hello guys, this is Ray once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video we're going to be talking about WordPress hosting. Okay, so now what's the meaning of WordPress hosting? So let's go ahead and say what is WordPress hosting. So in a nutshell, WordPress hosting is actually a form of hosting optimized to run WordPress sites. Okay, using the WordPress host, you get many tools and services and functionalities that suit the WordPress content management system. Now there are different hosting companies out there that can actually handle WordPress general hosting in context, okay? But there are some hosting that have been designed in such a way that they make their system to be fine-tuned to the WordPress content management system environment, okay, and software. So, for instance, Namecheap has a very perfect WordPress hosting plan specifically for WordPress. They have the normal hosting, they have hosting for other things, for videos and all that, but they now have hosting specifically designed for WordPress. And I think it's one of their most popular plans out there. There are other companies that offers that Bluehost, Bluehost, HostGator, Hostinga, and SiteGround. Okay, these are all good options for WordPress hosting. So basically, it's a hosting for your website, but specifically designed for WordPress. So as you're going to see ahead in the video, we have some videos that were specifically designed, some sites that was specifically hosted on a particular hosting because their efficiency and their support, their systems for WordPress is actually excellent. So, guys, that'll be all for now on what is WordPress hosting. On further going on, we're going to make a list of the different WordPress hosting that you can use. For instance, if you go to the WordPress.org website, you're going to see options that they've made available. So, like now, when you come to this page, WordPress.org/hosting, you see recommended. There are hundreds of thousands of web hosts out there, the vast majority of which meets the WordPress minimum requirement, and choosing one from a crowd can be a chore. Just like flowers need the right environment to grow, WordPress works best when it's in a rich hosting environment. We've dealt with more hosts than you can imagine. In our opinion, the host below represents some of the best and brightest of the hosting world if you can decide to go with the host. So these are recommended by WordPress. Bluehost, Hostinga, DreamHost, and the official WordPress.com hosting. So that does not mean there are other ones that are not there. There are other great hosting that you can use, like Namecheap, like SiteGround. SiteGround is sweet, it's perfect. I've used them for years, and you're gonna get a perfect experience. But you need to go with what you can afford and what is also within budget and all. So, guys, that'll be all for now. I expect to see you in our next video. Bye for now.